Every so often, I go on the hunt looking for value. For you, of course, so you can get more for your money, all right? Hard-earned dollars, those are. And today, I feel like, I hope that I've uncovered some value in the tech world. This thing here, the MPOW Sport Wireless Earphones, these are the best-selling wireless earbuds on Amazon, and they have a 4-star review with 11,000, is it 11,000 reviews, Will? 11,000 reviews, holy moly. I mean, I haven't tried them yet, but this is the best part. These things are like $17 or $18. Wireless, fully wireless, $17 or $18, plus IP rating waterproof for the fitness folks. IPX7 waterproof rating for the fitness what? 17 or 18 bucks? What's going on here, man? People are spending hundreds of dollars on wireless earbuds. Do they need to be? Should they be? I don't know. I've tried them all. You know I have. But the thing is, $100, $200, $300 earbuds or headphones are not a reality for everyone. And some people might even be wasting some cash on them and not getting the cost to performance ratio they possibly could have. Now, granted, we're gonna need to approach this video with the correct expectation. Right now, at this moment that I'm shooting this, it might be different after this video goes up, but these are $16.99. So we just need to keep that framework in our minds when evaluating these things. They are cheap and they are fully wireless. So they don't need to be as good as a $200 pair of earbuds. They need to be good enough and save you a boatload of cash. That's the idea. That's why we're looking at this. Anyhow, true high definition sound and deep bass. Advanced noise cancellation. Well, I'm not sure that there's actual noise cancellation happening. Hopefully some isolation. Comfort and stability design. We now know where we're saving the cash, Kirk. Stability. Made for sport. Built-in microphone for hands-free operation. A cool and handy carry EVA box included. Operating range 10 meters. It's Bluetooth 4.1. Standby time 220 hours. Charging time 1.5. And the talk/playing time apparently 7 hours. Now, I gather that some of those 11,000 individuals who decided to review these things have had that criteria at least somewhat met. So they're not just making stuff up and throwing it on the back. That's my guess, at least. Anyhow, let's crack this open and see what we're working with. It's amazing. Can you imagine fully wireless earbuds for $16.99? What's going on here? Okay, travel case included, a little bit of paperwork, and that's that. All right, everything is in here. Oh, all right. Presentation is okay so far. A flat cable that goes behind your head. We have some ear loops, which are kind of important for, you know, the fitness types, runners, and so on. You might like this style. This is kind of flexible, and hopefully it's going to stay on a little bit better with that extra added ear loop around the outside of the ear. Now, it does have interchangeable ear tips. They've included a bunch in here. Ohm comply style ear tips. And then we have 3 sizes of your typical ear tips, small, medium, and large. And lastly, a micro USB cable to charge them up. Pretty self-explanatory. And of course, the case to keep it all in when you're not using it. Now, the earbuds fit in like that. Like this will go behind here. And then this will go in like this. I don't know if Kurt can see that there. Now, I guess the medium is pre-installed. That's actually, the medium already feels, these are comfortable. That's a comfortable earbud right now. It's got decent sound isolation with the medium tip on it. And then you get the added security of having the hook over the ear. So I could be at the basketball court. You know, I could be, you know, Steph Curry, be the Papa Shot Steph Curry downstairs and stay mobile with no issue. No, in all seriousness, these are on. They're in there and they're on. You see what I mean? More comfortable than I expected. Okay, now on the earbuds, there's a little door here, a little rubber door that covers up the charge port. It also has volume controls somehow. So yeah, they fit volume up and down on there as well. So you can quickly adjust the volume. Oh, and this button actually clicks. This big, see that? So that's your play, pause, and answering phone calls. And probably your power switch as well, I'm guessing. Let's see if these have any power. Okay, they do. I got power on right now. Your headset is connected. Okay. So let's go ahead here and a couple tunes. Honestly, like, okay, here's the thing, ladies and gentlemen. Every so often, you figure something out, you find something like this for the money that is just like such an easy thing to recommend. They sound good. They sound better than I expected them to sound. I think the internet in this case might be right with those 11,000 reviews. I don't expect them to be like crazy battery performers or anything like that, but this package, like with the comfort and the sound and the price, it's a bit ridiculous if I'm being honest. It's like one of the best purchases in tech right now. $16.99. What do you got? You got wired earbuds? I don't know. What's your excuse? Like, you don't want to spend the 17? You spent 17 on lunch. This is a Wednesday afternoon. This is a Taco Tuesday. This is a champagne breakfast. This is some bacon and eggs. You know, this is some real maple syrup. Because Will trying to make the argument on Aunt Jemima, and I'm sorry, you know, that's just not where we're coming from on that. We're talking about Quebec, we're talking about Ontario, we're talking about maple trees. That's what we're talking about. For $16.99, guys. So like now I realize there's a job to be done here. I need to be investigating this stuff. I need to be out there on the internet, uncovering, finding the deals that are worth paying attention to and evaluating those. You're not gonna get a big brand name. In fact, you're gonna get something quite the opposite. Your headphones are gonna be called MPOW. So you gotta be comfy with that. You might even wanna own that on another level and be like, look, Lou told me about the MPOW. I don't even care. Like what, you got Beats? Okay, fine. $16.99. You know, you just wasted a party and a parka and some ping pong and a pizza and some popcorn, and I got all those things and my tunes. So maybe it's gonna be MPOW for me. The wireless earbuds that probably most people should own, and most people are probably spending too much on these things, to be honest, myself included. Most of us need to be a little more considerate because you take a peek around and there's some stuff out there you could save some cash and get some decent performance. And if somebody tries to make fun of you, you know what I mean? Somebody at school, you're in high school, they're like, what's these MPOWs? You'd be like, yeah, okay, keep chatting. Go watch Lou. He'll let you know. It's all good. It's fine. You're in great shape. You're better off. Check the reviews. It's not just me. It's the MPOW Flame. Seems like the real deal. $16.99. Cheeseburger, fries, ice cream.